In today's fast-paced world, finding time for a daily workout can seem like an impossible task. With busy schedules, work commitments, and family responsibilities, it is easy to let exercise fall by the wayside. However, prioritizing physical activity is crucial for both physical and mental well-being. In this article, we will explore the importance of incorporating a daily workout routine into your busy life and provide practical tips for making it happen. Regular exercise has numerous health benefits, including improving cardiovascular health, boosting metabolism, and strengthening muscles and bones. It can also help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Exercise is not just good for the body, it is also beneficial for the mind. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that help improve mood and reduce stress and anxiety. A daily workout can leave you feeling happier, more relaxed, and better able to cope with the challenges of daily life. Just like any other important task, make exercise a priority in your daily schedule. Set aside specific time slots for workouts and treat them as non-negotiable appointments with yourself. You do not need to spend hours in the gym to reap the benefits of exercise. Short, intense workouts can be just as effective as longer ones. Look for quick, high-intensity interval training, HIIT workouts that you can complete in 30 minutes or less. Find creative ways to sneak exercise into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk or bike to work if possible, or do a few sets of squats or lunges while watching TV. Not a fan of traditional gym workouts? That is okay. There are plenty of other ways to stay active. Try different activities until you find something you genuinely enjoy, whether it is dancing, hiking, swimming, or playing a sport. Variety is the spice of life, and the same goes for exercise. Keep things interesting by mixing up your routine. Try new workouts, alternate between cardio and strength training, or join group fitness classes for added motivation. Working out with a friend or joining a fitness group can make exercise more enjoyable and hold you accountable. In addition, it is a great way to socialize and connect with others who share your fitness goals. Set achievable fitness goals that align with your lifestyle and priorities. Whether it is running a 5K, losing a few pounds, or simply feeling stronger and more energetic, having clear objectives can help keep you motivated. Keep track of your workouts, progress, and achievements. Seeing how far you have come can provide the motivation you need to keep going, even on days when you do not feel like exercising. Reward yourself for reaching milestones and sticking to your workout routine. Treat yourself to a massage, buy yourself some new workout gear, or indulge in a healthy but delicious meal. While juggling a busy schedule can make it challenging to find time for exercise, prioritizing physical activity is essential for overall health and well-being. By incorporating daily workouts into your routine, you can enjoy numerous physical and mental health benefits, overcome time constraints, make exercise enjoyable, and stay motivated to reach your fitness goals. Listen to your body and prioritize rest when needed, but try not to make skipping workouts a habit. Sometimes a gentle workout or a change of scenery can boost your energy and mood. In the pursuit of health and wellness, the terms fit and fat are frequently used to describe individuals' physical conditions. While they may seem straightforward, the disparity between being fit and being fat encompasses more than just appearance. In this comprehensive essay, we will delve into the distinctions between being fit and being fat, exploring various aspects such as physical health, mental well-being, lifestyle choices, and societal perceptions. Daily workouts play a crucial role in improving cardiovascular health, building strength and endurance, enhancing flexibility, and boosting mood and mental well-being. Regular exercise reduces the risk of chronic diseases, improves sleep quality, and increases overall longevity. From cardio and strength training to yoga and Pilates, there are various types of exercise suited to individual preferences, fitness levels, and goals. Incorporating a mix of aerobic, anaerobic, and flexibility exercises ensures a well-rounded fitness routine that targets different muscle groups and energy systems. Healthy food choices provide the necessary fuel to to optimize performance during workouts. Carbohydrates replenish glycogen stores for energy, proteins support muscle repair and growth, and fats provide sustained energy and aid in nutrient absorption. After workouts, the body requires adequate nutrients to facilitate muscle recovery, repair tissue damage, and reduce inflammation. Consuming a combination of carbohydrates and proteins post-exercise replenishes glycogen stores, promotes muscle protein synthesis, and accelerates recovery. Pairing healthy eating with daily workouts is essential for effective weight management. A balanced diet promotes satiety, regulates appetite, and helps maintain a healthy weight, while regular exercise burns calories, builds lean muscle mass, and boosts metabolism. Protein-rich foods such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and nuts are essential for muscle growth and strength. Combining strength training exercises with adequate protein intake supports muscle hypertrophy, enhances muscular endurance, and improves overall athletic performance. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, combined with regular physical activity, reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and certain cancers. These lifestyle habits promote cardiovascular health, regulate blood sugar levels, and support immune function. Both healthy eating and exercise have been shown to improve mood, reduce stress, and alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. The release of endorphins during exercise, coupled with the neuroprotective and mood-enhancing properties of nutrient-rich foods, promotes overall mental well-being. Plan and prepare meals ahead of time to ensure you have nutritious options readily available. Batch cooking, meal prepping, and stocking up on healthy snacks can help you make better food choices throughout the day. Stay hydrated before, during, and after workouts by drinking plenty of water. Hydration is essential for maintaining optimal performance, regulating body temperature, and supporting nutrient transport and absorption. Pay attention to hunger and satiety cues, and fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods that make you feel energized and satisfied. Experiment with different foods and meal timings to find what works best for your body and fitness goals. The integration of healthy food choices with daily workouts is paramount for achieving and maintaining optimal health and wellness. By nourishing our bodies with nutrient-rich foods and engaging in regular physical activity, we can enhance performance, optimize results, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Embracing this synergy empowers us to lead vibrant, fulfilling lives with vitality and longevity. Fitness refers to a state of overall well-being achieved through regular physical activity, proper nutrition, and adequate rest. A fit individual typically has good cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and a healthy body composition. Fatness, on the other hand, primarily refers to excess body fat or adiposity. While it can be an indicator of poor health, it is essential to recognize that fatness alone does not encompass an individual's overall health or fitness level. Factors such as muscle mass, bone density, and metabolic health also play significant roles. Fit individuals often exhibit lower body fat percentages, higher muscle mass, and better cardiovascular health. They may engage in regular exercise routines that include both aerobic activities and strength training, promoting overall fitness and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Individuals with higher levels of body fat may face an increased risk of certain health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and joint problems. However, it is crucial to note that not all fat individuals are unhealthy, as factors such as genetics, lifestyle choices, and metabolic health also influence overall well-being. Regular exercise has been linked to improved mood, reduced stress, and enhanced cognitive function. Fit individuals often experience greater self-confidence, higher self-esteem, and better body image, leading to overall mental well-being and a more positive outlook on life. Despite societal stigma and stereotypes, fat individuals can also lead fulfilling and happy lives. However, they may face challenges related to body image, self-esteem, and mental health due to societal pressures and discrimination. It is essential to promote body positivity and acceptance for individuals of all sizes. Fit individuals typically prioritize healthy lifestyle habits, including regular exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep, and stress management. They may enjoy various physical activities such as running, cycling, swimming, yoga, or weightlifting, incorporating movement into their daily routines. Fat individuals may have diverse lifestyles, ranging from sedentary to active, and their weight does not necessarily dictate their habits or behaviors. While some may struggle with weight-related health issues, others may prioritize holistic well-being through intuitive eating, joyful movement, and self-care practices. In many societies, fit individuals are often praised for their dedication to health and fitness. They may receive positive reinforcement for their physical appearance, athletic achievements, and lifestyle choices, contributing to a sense of validation and acceptance within their communities. Fat individuals may encounter societal stigma, discrimination, and prejudice based on their appearance. They may face barriers to accessing healthcare, employment opportunities, and social acceptance, leading to feelings of shame, isolation, and low self-worth. It is essential to challenge fat phobia and advocate for inclusivity and respect for all body types. The disparity between being fit and being fat extends beyond mere physical appearance and encompasses various aspects of health, well-being, lifestyle choices, and societal perceptions. While fitness and fatness are often perceived as dichotomous, it is essential to recognize that individuals can be fit at any size and that health is multifaceted and complex. By promoting body positivity, inclusivity, and holistic well-being, we can strive towards a more compassionate and equitable society where all individuals are valued and respected regardless of their size or shape. In the quest for a healthier lifestyle, the combination of nutritious food choices and regular physical activity stands as a cornerstone. While exercise fuels our bodies with strength and endurance, healthy eating provides the necessary nourishment to optimize performance and achieve fitness goals. This comprehensive essay explores the symbiotic relationship between incorporating healthy food choices alongside daily workouts, elucidating the profound impact this synergy has on overall well-being. Healthy food choices encompass a variety of nutrient-rich foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and macronutrients necessary for optimal health. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. A balanced diet comprises a combination of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in appropriate proportions to support bodily functions, maintain energy levels, and promote overall wellness. Emphasizing whole, minimally processed foods while minimizing added sugars, unhealthy fats, and processed foods is key.